Hello guys, my name is Christian and I am an analyst executive at Trading 707. Our team is composed of 6 passionate professionals working in the financial markets, developing machine learning modeling and quantitative analysis. Tired of receiving advice from people without a professional background? We chose to combine the knowledge used in our day-to-day lives in a professional context to give a clear and complete training to help you build your own algorithmic trading strategy as an expert. We think it's important to offer practical and affordable solutions in order to share our passion with as many people as possible. Let's take a look at how our algorithmic trading training is structured. If you already have some basic Python knowledge, that's great. If you don't worry. We'll be going over the fundamentals of this programming language. At the end of this training, you will be able to write your own algorithms and lines of code. After this, you will learn data visualization using Python's plotlight library in order to obtain charts and graphs that will allow you to sharpen your trading strategies and understand characteristics of the market. Then, you will be guided into the algorithmic trading fundamentals. You will be able to elaborate a strategy using a simple algorithm, as well as training how to gather all market information necessary to sharpen your trading techniques. Of course, if you don't yet have a deep knowledge of trading methods, the Trading Masterclass will give you the foundation to recreate professional trader techniques. I reassure you, everything in this course is explained clearly and simple so that it's accessible to everyone. Then, once your trading algorithm is ready to use, we will encourage you to perform backtesting and implement it within a trading platform. And finally, you will have the opportunity to assist in a live session where we will test one of the different algorithms that we use in our professional environment. To start now, click on the link below this video. This link will connect you to the Udemy website, which is a training platform. Then, after creating your account in less than 2 minutes, we can start the first module together. At the end of the training, if you think you have not learned significant skills, you have a 30-day money-back guarantee. Moreover, note that this training can be interactive. Do not hesitate to ask your questions. You will even have the possibility to discuss with us via Zoom call. So what are you waiting for? See you in the first module right now.